What is the largest continent? Asia. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Which country has the largest population? China. What is the longest river in the world? Nile. Which desert is the largest in the world? Sahara. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is the capital of France? Paris. Which mountain is the highest in the world? Everest. Which continent is the smallest? Australia. Which country is famous for pyramids? Egypt. Which river flows through London? Thames. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Which ocean is the smallest? Arctic. Which country has the most islands? Sweden. What is the capital of USA? Washington, D.C. Which continent has the most countries? Africa. Which is the longest mountain range? Andes. Which country is the largest by area? Russia. Which sea is the saltiest? Dead Sea. What is the capital of Italy? Rome. Which river is the widest in the world? Amazon. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Iceland. Which continent is Antarctica located in? Antarctica. What is the capital of China? Beijing. Which desert is in Mongolia? Gobi. Which country has the Great Barrier Reef? Australia. Which is the coldest continent? Antarctica. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin. Which river flows through Egypt? Amazon.